Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Polymarket in Canada using a PC. Let's get started. First, what is Polymarket? Polymarket is a website where people use most money to predict real-world outcomes like politics, sports, or current events. If you are right, you make money. If you are wrong, you lose what you put in. To use Polymarket, you need a crypto wallet on your PC. Open MetaMask. Now, once you are on your MetaMask, create a wallet and write down your recovery phase. This wallet is where your money is stored. Polymarket uses USDC, which is a digital version of the US dollar on the Polygon network. Buy USDC from an exchange like Coinbase, then send it to your MetaMask wallet. When sending, make sure the network is Polygon, not Ethereum. This is very important. Now open your browser and go to Polymarket website. Once you are in, tap on deposit at the top of your screen. Now confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. This moves your USDC from your wallet into Polymarket so you can trade. Browse the market and pick a question you are interested in. Click yes if you think it will happen or no if you think it won't. Enter how much money you want to use and confirm the trade. And that's it. We are now using Polymarket on a PC in Canada. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.